Hi, my name is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Melissa, M.E., not M.A., from earlier to send you guys this quick video for some tips and tricks on how to get some more customers from your guys' website. So I'll go through three things today, content, backlinks, and citations. So content on your front page is what Google really looks for. And they're looking for about 1,000 to 1,500 words, which is just this info right here. Now you guys have, with that up there and all of these customer reviews, which are amazing to have on your website, you guys have about 711 words, so not far off from that 1,000 to 1,500 range that Google likes to see to really rank you guys organically with them. And also, a few things that you guys can do as well, aside from content, is if you go onto your photos and see what they are saved as, you really want them to be saved something that has to do with your business. So you don't want this to be family photo for business. You want it to be mechanical and electrical. And that way Google reads that because they don't see the picture. It's just a computer. They don't see the picture. They see what it's named. So yeah, right here, Rucker Mechanical, Oklahoma City. And that's actually not a bad name for your photo. Okay. Now, keywords. You really want keywords to really be put into your content. And I know your guys' company is mechanical and electrical, but I found you from OKC Plumbers. So here is the first organically ranked business. Now we can really rank you guys on mechanical and electrical. It's going to be all the same tips and ways to do that. So these two up here are just directories or ratings and reviews. We really want to go for the first business. So that's Crazy Plumbing, Oklahoma City. Now when we go on their website layout's also pretty good. I kind of like your guys' a little bit better. But they are outranking you because they have 900 words on their of content on their front page. They're also putting a lot of keywords in their front page. So this is a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs, and it just gives me a quick look at what your website is really doing. So right here, DR, that is domain rating or really website power. And the higher this number, the better. So you guys are on 12. We really want to get that up in the 20s. Backlinks, you guys have a ton of backlinks, but they're only coming from about 27 different domains. So even though you have a lot of backlinks, if you could get them on more referring domains, that will boost your power there. As well as your organic keywords. I talked a little bit about keywords, but we'll go more into it. You guys really want this about 350 to 500, as many as you possibly can get. If we click into that organic keywords, you guys have, a few in there. Electric company OKC, 200 people search that a month. And this is the traffic you guys are getting from it. Not really one person. You're getting probably some people that hit call and cancel, or they click on your website and go away from it. So you're not really getting anyone contacting you. And that's because you guys are number 19 on Google. Each page has around 10 different companies. So you guys are roughly in the second page. The rest of them are really your guys' name. Plumbers, OKC, you guys have that in your content somewhere, and 500 people are searching it. And you guys aren't getting anyone because you're at, ranking 21. So your guys' the bones are good for your guys' website. Just really putting in some power will get you guys ranked very high and get you some more customers, whether it's plumbing or electrical, whatever you guys are really aiming for. Now, your competition, I'll kind of show you some examples here. So, Plumbers OKC, 500 people search that a month. They're getting 15 customers because they're number 5 on Google. OKC Plumbing, 80 people are searching that, but they're getting roughly the same amount of customers because they're position number 2. So if you just kind of go through this, you can see, 200 for Plumber OKC, they're getting 7 customers. So if you really implement those, they're not that powerful when it comes to this, but they really you can outrank them quickly if you get some good keywords within your content. Last thing I want to talk about are citations. So to we use citations to get into this Google Map pack. When someone searches anything, these 3 businesses pop up. Now, ideally, you want a phone number right here, because if you can get your customers to you from 1 to 3 clicks, you will start producing gold. You'll have a lot of customers coming into you. So right here, you will go to get on here, you will go to Google My Business and register your business on Google. They'll send you a postcard. You'll put in that code and, pick the exact name and look of the name that you want on Google. Once you do that, you go to a lot of these directories around Oklahoma City and put your business in there. Pretty much, it's just putting your name, address, and phone number to create a citation. Once you do that, you will boost all the way up to the top, and anyone searches anything that's on your website, whether it's electrical, mechanical, plumbing repair, pipe repair, any of that, you'll pop up right here, and they will click you because we will make sure we have your phone number right there. Now, to find these citations, you can go to any local citation finder and just put in your business. So here you guys are with 44 citations, and your competition has 42. Really just a couple tweaks and a couple things into your website, and you guys will easily outrank anyone within your department. So you will just click onto theirs or anyone that's close to you guys and find any of these websites that you guys do not have, that you guys don't have citations with, and contact them and say, hey, can I put my website, we had this many customer reviews and we really know what we're doing, and they'll put you on there. And once you have that, you will have a ton of power to your website. Well, I hope this was helpful and, if not helpful, at least interesting. If you guys have any questions or would like some more information, just give me a call at 405-627-2693 or email me at Caitlin, my first name, at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.